Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cash App and buy Bitcoin. Cash App is a popular mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money, pay bills, and even buy Bitcoin. To get started, download and install the Cash App on your mobile device and create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and a few other basic details. Once you have created your account, you will need to link a payment method such as a bank account or credit card to fund your transactions. To link a payment method, tap on the Banking tab and select Add Bank or Add Card. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and verify your account. Now that your account is set up and funded, you can buy Bitcoin directly through the Cash App. To do this, tap on the Investing tab and select Bitcoin. You will see the current price of Bitcoin and have the option to buy a specific amount or a fraction of a Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand that buying Bitcoin is a high-risk investment and the value can fluctuate rapidly. Before investing, make sure you have a clear understanding of the risks and fees involved. Cash App charges a small fee for buying and selling Bitcoin, which is typically around 1.76% of the transaction amount. To ensure the security of your Bitcoin investment, enable two-factor authentication on your Cash App account and keep your login credentials and payment information private. It is also crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose and to have a long-term perspective when investing in Bitcoin. In conclusion, using Cash App to buy Bitcoin is a straightforward process that requires a funded account and a basic understanding of the risks and fees involved. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can start investing in Bitcoin through the Cash App. Remember to always prioritize security and only invest what you can afford to lose.